Hello, my name is Claudia Roof. I'm the principal here at Glencoe High School. We would have loved to have you over to celebrate our 40th anniversary, but until then, and until we can be together, I would like to show you the new Glencoe High School. One of the biggest changes this year is our new vestibule. After the school day begins, entry into the school building is secured. Visitors must enter through the main office and check in there. During entry times before schools, students can enter through these doors into the main corridor. We now have a new mural to brighten up our space, as well as acoustic tiles to help dampen the noise. These tiles are arranged in Morse code. Can you tell what they say? On this side of the building is our latest addition, a whole new wing that adds much needed space to our school. On the first floor, we have our new counseling center and offices. Students can come here to work on their schedules or speak to their counselors. On the west side are our new health science classrooms and labs with modern facilities to support our students and staff. Upstairs is our new spacious media center. Our bright new media center is such a change from our old cramped library. There is so much more room for students to study and research. And these glass enclosed conference rooms allow them to work together in small groups. This passageway takes us directly into the main areas of the building. Let's take a look at the changes on the second floor. On the eastern half of the building, we totally gutted out the old library and converted it into science classrooms. We also renovated several of the existing classrooms with new HVAC ductwork, lighting, and casework and more. The skylight brings natural daylight to brighten the hallway. Another addition to the building is this new cafeteria area, adding more space for students to take their meals. The old breezeway is now totally enclosed, and the whole cafeteria area is part of the main building. You can see the same acoustic sails that were in the media center. On the walls are acoustic tiles. And up above is the beam that many of you signed at last fall's ceremony. Outside, we have a small enclosed plaza for students to hang out. This used to be our old weight room. It has been converted into a workspace for our building trades classes. The classroom now has a large window so the teacher can more easily monitor the work area. There is ample space for tools and machinery for students' projects. A restroom and storage locker area have been added for their convenience. This new weight room addition was finished and briefly used by students before COVID-19 restrictions closed our campus. The rubberized surface provides a softer landing space for weights. The shop doors can open to let fresh air in. Also, students can do their workouts under the canopy even on rainy days. A new team room provides space for student athletes to utilize close to our fields. In addition to restrooms, there's a space for the teams to gather before and after their competitions. The most recent renovation is the reconfigured student parking lot. We removed the old tennis courts and rebuilt new ones next to the locker rooms. This was done so the parking lot could be redesigned for a better flow. You can see that we have 2 exits from the lot and a new traffic light signal. Hopefully, this will improve the safety of both pedestrians and vehicles along Glencoe Road and ease traffic backups. Improvements are also made along the side of Glencoe Road, adding a new storm drain and sidewalk. Last summer, improvements included the south parking lot, main office, and several career technical spaces. These latest changes wrap up the second and final year of Glencoe's renovations, which have given our 40-year-old school a much-needed facelift to carry us for decades more to come. I hope to invite you to an open house soon so you can see all of the new changes. This is due to your great generosity for passing the 2017 Hillsborough School District bond. You've invested so much into a modern education for our students, and we thank you. I would like to speak for our students, our staff, and our community to say thank you for all you've done to give us room to grow and to modernize our building.